Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into the HP Omen 2024 desktop, a powerhouse designed for gamers and creative professionals alike. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're looking for a high-performance machine, this desktop might just be your next best friend. First off, let us talk about the Intel i7-13700K 16-core processor. With its incredible speed and performance, this CPU handles everything from intense gaming sessions to demanding productivity tasks without breaking a sweat. You can expect lightning-fast response times, making multitasking a breeze. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos, this processor ensures you're always one step ahead. Now, onto the graphics. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti with 8GB GDDR5 memory is nothing short of amazing. This graphics card delivers stunning visuals and smooth frame rates, even in the most graphically demanding games. With support for ray tracing and AI enhancements, you'll experience unparalleled realism in your gaming graphics. The combination of the i7 processor and RTX 4060 Ti makes for an unbeatable gaming experience, capable of running the latest titles at high settings. The 128GB DDR5 RAM is another standout feature, allowing for quick data access and improved performance overall. This is particularly beneficial for those who often run multiple applications simultaneously or engage in heavy multitasking. You'll notice a significant boost in speed and efficiency, whether you're gaming, editing, or browsing. The 4TB M.2 SSD is a game changer, providing ample storage for your games, applications, and media files. The fast read and write speeds mean you won't be waiting around for your games to load. Everything is quick and responsive, making your computing experience smooth and enjoyable. One thing to note is the lack of an optical drive, which is a common trend in modern desktops as digital downloads become more prevalent. However, with so much storage space and the capabilities of the machine, you probably won't miss it. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi, ensuring you stay connected without any hassle. Plus, the sleek black design of the HP Omen gives it a modern and stylish look that will fit perfectly in any gaming setup. In summary, the HP Omen 2024 desktop is a stellar choice for anyone seeking a high-performance machine. With its powerful processor, impressive graphics card, ample RAM, and extensive storage, it caters to gamers, creators, and anyone in between. If you're in the market for a desktop that can handle anything you throw at it, this one should definitely be on your list. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming content.